everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys a new meal that I want to try. It is Crockpot bacon cheddar cauliflower soup. I am really into eating a little bit healthier. This might not be the healthiest meal, but I'm really into eating a lot of stuff with cauliflower. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that you guys need to make this meal. So what you guys need is a large head of cauliflower. Chopped up. It doesn't matter if you have it perfect or not because we are going to use an immersion blender and blend it all together, so I just kind of cut it whatever. But you need about 4 cups. This is probably about 4 cups. So you guys are going to need that. You guys are also going to need 1 small onion diced. You also need about 6 cloves of garlic. Like I said, you don't have to have it perfect because we will use an immersion blender. You need about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of ground pepper. You also need 3 cups of chicken broth. This is just a little over 3 cups, so I'm just going to keep a little bit left in the box when I do pour it. You guys are also going to use a whole 8-ounce thing of cream cheese. You need a half a cup of regular shredded cheese, a half a pound of bacon. I'm just going to use these bacon bits because it's just a little bit more convenient for me than cooking bacon and chopping it up. But what we're going to do is going to put some stuff in the crock pot, and you're going to cook it on high for 4 hours or low for 6 hours. I want to eat by lunchtime, so we're going to do the 4 hours. So what you guys are going to do is just take the cauliflower and put it all in for that. As you see, I started having them bigger and then they got smaller as we went. You're also going to add the onions. You're going to do the cloves of garlic. You're also going to add the teaspoon of pepper and salt. And then we're also going to do the chicken broth, about 3 cups. So like I said, I'm going to leave a little bit in there. So we don't have it too. So there's about 3 cups. We're just going to mix this all together. And then we're going to let this cook for 4 hours. So I'm just going to stir it all in there. And then I'll stir it as it cooks because this will soften up. So let's cook this for 4 hours and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so we got about 1 hour and 12 minutes left. I've been stirring this every half an hour or so. Really strong smell of the onions and the garlic, but it's, you know, looking good. I cannot wait to try this soup. Okay, so we've had this cooking for about 4 hours now. You can just see the steam coming right off. But, sorry, I have a baby crying. But yeah, it's super soft. So now what we're going to do... is it does say to add a half a cup of cheddar. I added probably about 3/4. When you live in Wisconsin, you want to add that much. So, and then I also have had the cream cheese sitting out for about 1 hour because I've noticed in the past that it does take longer to warm up. So I just kind of cut it in 3 slices. So we're going to put that in there. I probably will cut it in half a little bit more. And then it says to add a pound of bacon. I'm just going to kind of just guess. I didn't pour it all in there, but you can always add it to a top or if you guys want to. So now what we're going to do is take the immersion blender. Now you guys can also use a regular blender if you want to do that way. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do. But we're just going to kind of just blend it a little bit. Without making a mess. Much all smooth. If you guys don't want it super smooth, you don't have to. You can just, you know, get it to whatever you guys like, but this is like a soup mix. I'm just going to add a little bit more bacon in it so we can have some chunks of bacon in it. And then I'm also just going to add some more cheese. Now you guys can top this off with cheese if you guys want. It's whatever you guys want to do. I live in Wisconsin, so we love cheese. So just going to mix that all in there. And let me get it in a bowl to see what it tastes like. I am so excited to try this. Okay, you guys, so I got it all nicely prepared in the bowl. So yeah, this is my first attempt making this, and this is also my first time making this and trying it. So let's get going, and I'm going to have some cheese with it, so let's try it. Can really taste the bacon, but otherwise it's really good. I really like it. It's really smooth. If you guys want to have it a little bit chunkier, you could. I wouldn't blend it as much, but it blended super fast, super easy. I really like this. My husband's not home right now to try it, but I would definitely make this again. There is another kind of soup that I want to make that's a cauliflower soup, so I will be making that soon too. But other than that, this is really good. But yeah, if you guys like these videos, please let me know, and I can share with you guys some more easy meals to make. The longest thing that took was just me cutting the cauliflower, the garlic, and the onions. Everything else was super fast and easy. So again, thank you guys for watching. I will have the recipe down in the information below so you guys can follow this deal too. Again, thank you guys for watching, and on to the next cooking meal.